Today I'm going to show you how you can make money online by simply copying and pasting some text. This works anywhere in the world and it is a free strategy. It doesn't require any writing skills or experience to work. For those of you who stay till the end of this video, I'll give you a bonus platform that will maximize your earnings, so make sure you stick with me. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you love this type of content and you like to see more, then give this video a thumbs up. With all of that said, let's begin with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. Today you'll see how copy and pasting text will actually get you paid. Before going over to the platform that will pay us, you need first to come over to this website called easinarticles.com. As the name suggests, in this website you can find thousands upon thousands of articles. When you come over here below, you'll be able to see all of these different categories that this website offers. They range from arts and entertainment, business, gaming, investing, kids and teens, pets, writing and speaking, and so on and so forth. So you have a lot of categories you can choose from. And let's say that for the sake of this tutorial we want some articles in the business category. But if you click on it, it will show you all of these subcategories to choose from. So not only do they offer a lot of categories, but also many more subcategories as well. And I'm going to select one of them, for example, this one, which is the accounting subcategory. And it will take me over to this page where you can find a lot of professional written articles. And only the first page got like 20 articles. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll be able to go to the next pages. And as you can see, there are over 300 pages for just this subcategory alone. So if you have like 20 articles per page, then that's more than 6,000 articles, which is just crazy. And you can see that my estimate was actually correct, because on the right hand side here it shows that the accounting subcategory has more than 6,700 of articles. Now, what if you get paid like $5 per article? You'll have the potential to make thousands upon thousands of dollars from these articles in this subcategory alone. This shows you just how much potential this strategy has. And the best part is that you can never run out of articles, since not only there are a lot of them already published, but also new arts are being published daily. In any case, what you need to do is to open some of these articles, and this one right here is the one that I'll be using as an example. Now, once you find the article that you like, you'll need to rewrite it. Even though you have the right to use this article however you want, you still need to rewrite it so it will be a unique article which adds originality and allows you to make more money off of it. Since of course we don't want to rewrite the article manually, you'll need to come over to this free online tool called Quillbot.com. This is a software that for free can rewrite text for you. Now, there is a bit of a catch with this tool. As you can see, when I paste a random part of the article, here it shows there is a limit as to how many characters you can rewrite at once. Once you sign up, as you can see, to Quillbot, you will have 700 characters. And it shouldn't be a big deal, because it will take you less time to have this tool rewrite the article for you than for you to do it yourself. So all you need to do is to copy the article, divide it in paragraphs instead of the whole article. Paste it here and then click on paraphrase so you can get the rewritten article done for you. And then just repeat until you have rewritten the entire article. Once you have the entire article rewritten, you need to check for mistakes. Even if Quillbot is one of the best tools for rewritten text, it is nevertheless an online software, so there will be a few errors here and there. So you need to invest 5 to 10 minutes of your time to correct the mistakes. And after you're done, then you need to head over the platforms that will be paying us today for the articles. And the first platform that I'll show you today so you can get paid is called Conquer.io. This is a freelancing platform that I've never shown before in this channel, and the reason why we are using it instead of Fiverr, for example, is because this is far less competitive and thus you'll be able to make money immediately. On Fiverr, there are a lot of freelancers offering their services, so chances are you won't be able to get many sales at the beginning, if any. So what you need to do when you first come on this platform is to click on Make Money right here, and after that you need to put a username, your email address, a password, confirm the password, then click on I'm not a robot so you can complete this CAPTCHA, and then click on Sign Up. After logging in to your account, you need to create a gig just like these people here are doing about writing articles. And they are selling their writing services for like $5, $15 or $36. I recommend you also charge $5 at the beginning until you get your first sales, then you can increase the price. It may not seem like a lot, but since you are starting with this strategy for the first time, it is better like this, and in the end it will be worthwhile. Whenever someone reaches out to you searching for an article of some sort, you'll just come over to eZine articles, find one, and then copy and paste it with Quillbot. So you can rewrite it and then give it to your customer and you'll get paid. What article you'll choose depends of course on what your customer is asking. But Conquer is not the only platform you can use in order to sell your writing services. Another one you can use is called SEOclerks.com. In my opinion, SEO Clerks is the best from the two, but I still recommend you use both of them to double your profits, since in the end both of them are good platforms and both will pay you. What you'll need to do once you are here is the same as you did on Conquer.io. So you want to create an account for free by clicking on the join button in the upper right corner. And then just put a username, an email address, a password, confirm the password and click on continue. Once you log into your account, you'll start to create a gig just like these people are doing right here. So you're going to get paid for this article that you didn't even have to write yourself. So once again, all you needed to do was to create an account for absolutely free in these freelancing websites and then just post a gig related to writing articles. Once you get a customer, just go over to eZine articles and find an article related to the customer needs. After that, come over to Quillbot so you can get your unique article rewritten for you and then just deliver it to your customer and get paid for it. So this is a really easy strategy that I recommend you start using right away, and in order to maximize your results, you can list your service in many other freelancing websites if you want to, besides Conquer.io and SEOclerks.com that I'll show you today. With all of that said, this is it for today's video. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel with notifications on so you can get notified whenever I post a new video like this one on how to make money online. Thank you for watching.